It's the holidays, so we're going to be touring a nice, affordable, wholesome, family-friendly camper. This is a 2024 Wolf Pup 17 JW. You can take this bad boy home for under 24,000 clams. We can get you going for roughly 200 clams a month. Super accessible storage out here, great for storing your johns. And then out here we can get the family kickback rolling, store as many non-alcoholic beverages as your heart desires in this mini fridge. It does come equipped with this leash latch, capable of holding up to 1,500 pounds, so you don't have to leave any of the dogs behind. TV mount out here so you can watch the playoffs outside or inside. We got 2 outdoor speakers underneath our nice big underlit awning. Spare tire out back, and then we got the backup camera mounted up top next to a mount for our ladder. They've included some projected decals on the ground and then on the floor here. Wowie zowie and wowie zowie. Look at this interior. We're gonna refrain from capping here. This thing is pretty basic, but it's got everything we need. Queen bed here, bada bing. And then we got double over double bunks back here. Sleep 1 to 2 on each of these depending on the size of them. Each is equipped with a USB and a USB-C port, so all your devices will remain charged. Kitchen includes a 2-burner gas stovetop, microwave. We got a Gerard refrigerator. I believe it's 10 cubic feet. Travelock is included, so our waters will not spill out while we're going down the road. The bathroom, pretty normal as well, pretty mid. We have a nice little corner sink, not a lot of countertop space, plastic foot flush toilet, really small tub so you can wash off the dogs in there. Pretty convenient. Not a bad foot bath, honestly. Storage is decent in here. We have these big ol' honkin' drawers, very deep, one on each side, and then underneath the bed this will flip up. Little hydraulics here, keep it in place. Plenty of room down here. Make it another bunk if you want to. You got your own little pop light and a private entrance and exit here. Sound system up here controls these speakers that are on the ceiling, and then those ones outside. If you got any questions on this bad boy, give me a call. The phone is in the bio.